Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add blurry effect to our video in CapCut. So let's get to it. Here I have created a project in CapCut and we're going to make this video blurry. So the first thing we have to do is we can click on the effect button right here, then click on video effect, and you have to select the lens section or lens option. It's right here, and since we want to add blurry effect, we can select blur right here and we can customize the blur effect. We just need to click on adjust right here, and you can choose or you can customize how blurry you want the video to be. And if you want to make it super blur, you just need to drag the circle to the right like this, and if you want to make it less blur, you just need to drag it to the right like this. Okay, and after we're done, we can click on this check mark button. And after that, if we want to make the effect align with the video, we just need to drag the effect like this. And now the effect has been aligned with the video. Okay guys, and that's how we can add blurry effect to our video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.